The whole breakup with Jeff Bezos, huh? It's not you, it's the yearly change. Don't, it's the yearly charge. Don't worry. Canceling your Amazon Prime membership is way easier than they make it look. Though they really don't want you to find that button. Here's the real step-by-step guide. No fluff, no hidden traps. Method 1, cancel Amazon Prime on PC. Go to the amazon.com, right, the official website, and log into your account, right? Hover over your account right here at the top, right? And you're gonna see your subscribe and save right here. Or excuse me, no, not here. You're gonna see, of course, right here in the account and lists. And let me go to, my orders. Right here you can see account, your subscribe, browsing history, your orders, your addresses. They really don't want you to find that button. So right here in the Try Prime. Okay, you're gonna see all of your subscriptions right here, right? And if you haven't joined Prime, you're gonna see the ad right here, right? Cancel the Prime membership or your Prime membership. You will see your plan info, monthly, yearly, next billing date, etc. On the left panel, click Manage Membership. Right? So I'm gonna go ahead, click right here. Right? And I'm gonna hit See All right here, which is better. Right? You're gonna see your order, subscribe, and save. Right? And here you're gonna see my Prime membership, which is way better. Right? You can do it both ways basically. Right? Choose End Membership. Amazon may call it update or cancel and more. They will now try to guilt trip you with 3 pop-ups. Are you sure you will lose your benefit? What if we remind you later? Just keep hitting cancel until you see your membership will end on this date. Boom, you're officially out. You can cancel also via Amazon app. Do the same steps, right? Click the 3 lines or click your avatar icon at the top and scroll down and find the Manage Prime membership or Prime Video. And then this opens the Prime page, sometimes via browser. Tab Manage Membership, End Membership, and continue to cancel. Keep tapping, continue to cancel, like you are fighting a boss battle because they are trying to trap you into buying more of their service. Eventually, you will see the confirmation page. All right. Pro tip: pause instead of cancel. If you just want to take a break, Amazon lets you pause your Prime, especially if you are on a monthly billing. During pause, you're not charged, and you can reactivate anytime with all benefits restored. Okay, so do the same steps. Click avatar icon at the top, and hit next to your orders. Hit See All. Oh, no, not here. Excuse me. Next to your account, hit See All, and you're gonna see all of your subscriptions right here in the account settings. Hit Prime membership or memberships and subscriptions right here. All right, and just select your subscription. Right, what happens after canceling? You keep all Prime benefits until your current billing cycle ends. You will get still get free shipping, Prime Video, etc. until that date. After that, no more charges. Check this out before you go. Sometimes people cancel Prime Video thinking it cancels full time. It doesn't. If you subscribe to Prime through Apple's App Store or Google Play, cancel from iPhone settings, right? If you pay it through your phone, go ahead to the settings, click your name or Apple ID, and hit subscriptions. Confirm via facial recognition. All right, and then click your subscription right here and hit cancel instead of managing, in Prime. Okay. The same goes for Google Play. Cancel under your Google subscriptions. Make sure you cancel from the same place you subscribe. To confirm it's gone, go to your account. Right? Next to your account, hit See All and press Prime Membership, right? Or memberships and subscriptions. Right? If it says your membership ended on this date, you're free. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.